They want to improve things. Lean organizations tap into that. So how do you actually start implementing lean? Let me give you a practical roadmap. Step number one is to start with a Gemba walk. Gemba is a Japanese word meaning the real place. In lean, it means going to where the work actually happens, not to a conference room. The place where the value is created. Walk that process. Watch the workflow. Talk to the people doing the work. Don't judge, just observe and ask questions. What problems do they face? Where do they see the waste? What suggestions do they have? This builds understanding and trust. You can't improve what you don't understand. Step number two is to pick one process to improve. Don't try to transform your entire organization overnight. Pick one process that's painful, visible, and improvable. Maybe it's your onboarding process, or maybe it's how you handle customer special requests. Maybe it's weekly reporting, whatever it is. Step number three is to map that current state. Gather your team together and map exactly how the process works today. Every step, every handoff, every decision point, capture cycle time, wait time, and defect rates. Now be honest. This isn't about blame. It's about understanding reality. Step number four is to identify waste. Go through your map and mark the 8 wastes. Where is the waiting? Where is the overprocessing? Where's the rework? You'll find waste everywhere. Now that's okay. That's why we're doing this. Step 5 is to build the future state. Now ask, how could this process work if we eliminated the waste? What would it look like? What's the minimum viable process that delivers value? Be ambitious, but be realistic. You want improvement, not perfection. Step 6 is to experiment and learn. Implement changes in small little experiments. Try something for 2 weeks and measure results, and then learn, adjust, and try again. This is PDSA, Plan, Do, Study, Act. And that is the engine of continuous improvement. Step number 7 is to standardize and sustain. When something works, standardize it, document it, and train people on it. But remember that standardization in lean isn't rigidity. It's creating a baseline for future improvement. So here's what I want you to remember. Lean is not about doing more with less. It's not about squeezing more productivity out of exhausted people. It's about respecting people by eliminating the frustrations and the waste that prevent them from doing their best work. When you eliminate waste, magical things happen. Work becomes more satisfying.